In my last video, we looked at the long vowel E, but how do you know how to pronounce a word when you see it written down? English spelling can often seem very strange and random, but there are some patterns we can find. Here are some common spellings for the sound E. There's the letter E, like me or he or she. There's double E and EA, like feel and dream. There's also IE and EI, like in field and receive, and EO and OE in people and phoenix. We also have EY, like in key, and less common, AY, like in key. There's also I, like in ski. Not all English sounds have this many possibilities in the spelling, but vowels are particularly tricky, so pay attention to those.